Congratulations on getting your course launched. Now let's do some marketing. Lifter has some very powerful marketing features built in. And what we're going to do is we're going to make some of our lessons free so that people can check them out before purchasing or enrolling in the course, kind of a free sample strategy. So let's start with that. I'm going to go back to where I can go to the back end of the website. I'm going to click Edit Course and launch the course builder. And I'm going to go inside this first lesson here and open the settings. And right here, this free lesson toggle, I'm going to turn that on. And you see how that changes this lock to unlocked. So if we look at that on the front end, what does that look like? Let's actually go to this site where we're not logged in. This is the incognito browser. And you can see now there's a little free toggle here. So I'm not logged into this website. I haven't bought anything yet, but I can check out a lesson to see, basically I can try before I buy. So this is just marketing by giving people a free sample of the product. Now let's look at some other features built into Lifter. So you saw how we built this entire course outline, but we haven't actually created all the content yet. But one thing we can do is we can actually pre-sell the course before we've created all the content. So one of the marketing tips is to validate that people will actually buy your course and that you've got the right lesson ideas that people are actually interested in. So what you do is you go down here to the restrictions tab on the course and you can enable what's called a course time period. So I'm going to turn that on, and this is the beginning of August in 2020 when I'm making this video, and I could give this course a start date of, let's say, September 3rd. So now if I hit update and we go to our logged out view of the website, if somebody goes to purchase this course, they can get a free sample, and you can see this course opens, there's a message here on September 3rd, 2020 in the future. So I could actually buy this course that has a future start date just to make sure the market is genuinely interested before I actually create all the content. So that's a very powerful marketing strategy and way to do pre-selling. And maybe you have, let's say, a couple lessons ready, and maybe use the drip content features in Lifter LMS to start dripping things out 1 week at a time. There's lots of nuances to this strategy, but that is super powerful. The other thing you can do is what we're doing right now is you can use like this course right here, which is a free course that basically works as a form of marketing. So you get somebody to enroll for free. We're not selling anything, but we're adding value in the beginning of our relationship so that you can experience what it's like to learn with us, to work with us, and we're basically getting you some kind of result for free. That's the most powerful form of marketing and trust building there is. Some people call it freemium, but doing a free course lead magnet, I like to call it, and we have more resources on that, on how to create those. And we even have a template for you that you can just put in your expertise and have your free course lead magnet up and running, collecting email addresses. That's one of the first things I recommend you do when you launch a Lifter LMS powered website. And if we look at that just to see how to do it, it's super simple. I'm going to go to our free course lead magnet right here. And when you go down to set up the access plan, all you do is just check this box. So it's free, no payment required. And that's all there is to it. So if we go look at it, you can see somebody just enrolls for free. There's nothing to pay. They're creating a user account, so which actually makes it so they're already logged in when it comes time to buy your product. But that's just a super helpful way to start doing some marketing by training some people for free with a free course lead magnet or mini course. So those are just 3 marketing strategies that you can implement right away with your Lifter LMS powered website.